It's not something from the outside, it's something that's happening inside of us. When the cells don't get what they need, they go into panic mode because they know that death is imminent for that cell. And they do a few things. And one is they begin to replicate and reproduce. It's in us, and it's in the smallest part of life has that same instinct to replicate or reproduce before dying off. That is the natural order of things. That is how our body recreates itself. That is how we heal. But that's assuming that the cells are in good shape. See, a sick, compromised, degraded cell is never going to make anything other than another sick, compromised, degraded cell. Right. It's like a snapshot. When mitosis happens, when they split, when they multiply, they're going to take a snapshot of who they are right then. That's what they're going to make another one of. And so that is how what we call disease and stuff starts to flourish. So foods that we shouldn't be eating over processed foods. I am of the belief that we should not be eating flesh. I don't think that flesh is optimal for us. We should not be eating highly hybridized and genetically modified foods. We should not be eating things that are becoming glue-like in our system. A lot of the processed wheats and a lot of the processed flours and breads and starches, we want to stay away from most of those starches. We want things that move through very easily. We want things with a high water content. A mostly fruit diet is probably optimal for us. So, I mean, there's levels to it, right? I think that if we are looking at an optimal lifestyle, I think that we should be primarily frugivores, eating mostly fruit and berries, fruits, berries, melons. And then I think that we should be primarily juicing veggies. We need to eat some, but juicing them to get the level of nutrients that we need to get out of the veggies. I think we're gonna need to juice some. Yeah. To get that level of chlorophyll and those really good things that are coming out of there. A lot of this is discouraging to people. They're like, oh shit, I'm over here. Mm-hmm. I'm eating everything. Anything that don't eat me first. How do I get way over there? What he's talking about? He's talking about I should only be eating fruit. Yeah. It doesn't take perfection. It doesn't take perfection for us to not have acute and chronic disease. It doesn't take that. And we each choose our level. The thing is, start someplace.